Hello and welcome to our auctions. What you are looking at here is a Micronic Ruby SR-G430 7-transistor radio made in Japan. As you can see, it's a complete box from Standard Radio Corporation, Japan, a complete box. And I think you'll find that this is a complete radio, great for any collector. First at the top we have the standard Micronic Ruby owner's manual and user's manual with all the neat pics and schematics and the instructions for use. We'll set that aside. Then we have next an unused warranty card. It's the whole thing. It's not torn in half, not sent in or written on. Got the actual original warranty card. Then we have, gotta be kind of careful here. I'll take this out first. Then we have the little accessory pack. This is kind of neat. Open it up and you've got the original earplug that it came with. It's a very special earplug. You can't use the old standard one because they used a two-prong. I don't know if you can see through the plastic. A little two-prong plug for these radios, so it has to be specific to the radio. So these are probably not all that easy to find, I would imagine. And still in the pouch. You can tell that the earplug has never been used. It's still got the rubber band around it, the original rubber band, I think. Then we have, look at that, the original Ever-Ready, little tiny Ever-Ready battery box that the two batteries came in. And if you open it up on one end here, open it up, these are the two batteries. And I'm sure they do not function any longer, but here's the two batteries. That probably came with the radio when it was new, still with the radio, which I think is kind of unique. I haven't seen one of these radios on eBay that still had the original Ever-Ready battery box included. We'll set that aside along with the little accessory pack. Now I come to the creme de la creme, the radio in its case. You can see that the case is in really good repair. I don't think anything wrong with it anywhere. A little dusty maybe there or something, but it's in really good shape. You open it up and you can see on the top there it says Standard Micronic Ruby, and then of course there is a little jewel that lies within the standard radio. There is a little bit of corrosion around the handle here, a little tiny bit of corrosion, and if you flip the radio over and you look on the back, there's a little tiny bit on this metal plate. And there is a little bit on the inside. Not bad, but there is a little tiny bit on the inside. But it's not bad. It really isn't. It's just a small amount. And then you can see where this is worn through time on the inside there. And I don't think that the handle was ever used, because this looks like the original little plastic band around the wrist strap to kind of hold it in place for being packaged inside the velvet-lined case here. And you can see that, I don't know if I held this side up, but there's the tuner and the volume control, and they both turn.